Before removing the fuel tank, use buds to relieve the fuel pressure. Remove the front ventilation airbox assembly. Disconnect the fuel pump electrical connector. Disconnect the fuel tank vent line. Wrap a shop rag around the top of the fuel pump to catch any spilled fuel. Depress this button to release the fuel pump quick disconnect. Remove the fuel pump pressure line. Immediately clean up any spilled fuel. Use the fuel pump module socket to loosen the fuel pump retaining nut. Remove the nut. Remove the fuel pump. Release all the fuel tank retaining straps. Loosen the fill hose clamp. Move the tank to the rear of the vessel. As you move the tank, extract the fill vent line from the tank. Carefully remove the fuel tank from the vessel.